What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at IAA for another walk around. Let's jump right into it with the thumbnail, a 1992 GMC rally wagon, baby, a Vandura 2500. You know what that means? That means this is a 3/4 ton truck. Basically, it's a van on a 3/4 ton frame. These were the good old days, guys, in case you don't remember. And most of you probably don't. It's sad, but I remember these bad boys. She's got no battery. You guys know how I feel about that. I usually avoid vehicles with no batteries. Usually it's just a bad sign. It really is. There's the positive. There's the negative right there. Okay, positive. The negative is stuck. Get that out of the way. Somebody's been checking the trans fluids. Let's go ahead and do that since we're already over here, why don't we? Yeah, she's a little crispy. A little crispy. That trans is definitely at a minimum in need of service. I don't know, what do you think? She got a 305, 350? I'm gonna say, because it's a GMC, I'm gonna say she's got a 350 in her. But honestly, I don't know. Let's see what the dipstick looks like here. Oh. Well. That blows. Yeah, get it? Blows? Blown head gasket. That blows. For sure. Wow. So I'm going to guess she probably don't run then, huh? Yeah, I think that says no run and drive. I don't know, though. 163,000 miles. What do you say we just throw a jump pack on it? To hell with it, man. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Just because she got a blown head gasket doesn't mean she won't fire up. Judging from the look of it, though, I'm going to say it probably won't fire up, though. But you just don't know. You don't know till you try. We'll try it out, man. I need to know. I need to know. All right, you ready? Give her the juice. There we go. Yeah, she should have the juice, guys. Oh, wow, flat tire too, huh? Well, that's nice. Oh, somebody was in here thinking about working on the old girl. Guess they decided not to. Yeah, I don't know. How hard are cylinder heads on this? It actually doesn't look too bad in here, man. It really doesn't. It doesn't look like it's that hard to do. Where's the key? Oh, no. You've got to be joking me. You've got to be joking. There's no key. There's no freaking key. No way. They pulled the thermostat out of it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's hiding under the cowling there, engine cover. Yeah. Well, that sucks. That really sucks. I was really interested in this. I really was. Go ahead and shut her down. No need to leave it running if there ain't no key in it. Go ahead and check out the rest of it, I guess. Lost type other. Blah, blah, blah. Oklahoma City. Engine start. Nope. I don't see anything about a key, so. Well, win some, you lose some, I guess. Oh, wow. Something was living back there, huh? Take a look at that. What is that? Oh, hell no. I'm not even going to go back there and see what that is. No. Nope, I'm good. That, oh, it's locked. Yeah, I was interested in this, but obviously with no keys and what looks like a ton of larvae in the back, I'm going to say no. No, we're not doing this one. Moving on. Next on my list, a 2008 Pontiac Solstice. She took a little hit in the front there. Maybe a little more than a little hit, but honestly, it doesn't look that bad. Looks like most of it was a high hit. Definitely tore up the hood. And the hood's a big piece, but that's kind of a good thing. You just replace the hood and you've got the majority of it replaced, right? A little bit of damage back here, under here. There's some plastics. This header panel or core support, whatever you're going to want to call it. Going to be a little damage there too. But overall, doesn't look too bad. How's that top? Top looks to be in... well, it's actually in very good condition as well. Tires are decent. Unfortunately, it's not a red line. She's not too bad, guys. Let's take a peek at the interior. Oh, it's a manual too. Very nice. Now, they got the hood taped down, so that's going to make it impossible to start, I think. Yeah, because if I try to undo that, especially on both sides, it's going to totally mess up that tape. Oh, you think she's got power? Hold on. She's got power. Oh, seems like such a rarity. Oh, man. Here we go. All right. Well, she's a little car, ain't she? She is. She's a little car. Trunk is ajar. Auto lights are off. All right. Boy, she got some lights on the dash for sure, guys. Damn. Tire pressure, trunk's ajar. I don't even know how to make it stop being pissed off about all this. There we go. 94,000 and change. 94,966 are the miles. Low coolant, check engine, brake. That probably goes off. Yeah, there you go. So TPMS, trunk ajar, check engine, low coolant. Clutch feels good. Shifts are nice. Yeah. She feels good, guys. She does. She feels real good. Sounds good. I'm going to shut it off pretty quick because I think it's out of coolant, which means it probably doesn't have air conditioning either. No, I don't think she got air conditioning. Important window work? Well, it sure does. It's just a small car, man. It really is. She's a tiny little car. Good Lord. I always wanted one of these, and I've never had one. And quite honestly, after sitting in this one, I don't think I do want one. It said the trunk was ajar. No, the trunk is definitely a trunk, not a jar. You know what, guys? I'm not really feeling this one either. I'm having a bad day today. I'm not feeling half the cars I'm looking at. I don't think this would be too bad of a fix. I wish we could open the hood and really get a look, but as soon as I do that, it's going to mess up that tape, man, and I'm not trying to do that. They obviously put it there for a reason. It's different when it's door tape and window tape, and you can open it and put it back. But this right here, this is literally holding down a hood. Yeah, I don't want to take that off. I'm not going to risk it. So we are going to walk away from this one. Let's go find something else. Last one on the list, guys. 2015 Chevy Malibu with hail damage. I'm not sure what the miles are yet, but she's got some pretty significant hail damage, guys. You can see that. Yeah. I mean, I could live with it, though. I could live with it. It's not that big of a deal. If I can live with it, I'm sure somebody else can, too. It's just a decent-looking car, man. Honestly, not too bad. We got a prime well on the back with good tread. Let's see what we got on the front here. We got a Cooper with... oh, no tread. No tread. Okay. Well... how about this one? That's a Bridgestone, and it's cracking. Yep, that tire's about to blow. And what do we got up here? We got a Pirelli. Okay. We have a nice full set of mismatched tires. Let's take a gander into the back. This is already starting out bad, guys. I know how this is going to go already. I do. Surprisingly, the interior looks good. I figured this was going to be really, really messy. Oh, wow. What? What is that, huh? Somebody had something stashed up under here or something and had to get it out in a hurry, or what is, oh, wow. All right. Well, I guess let's see if it wants to run. It has power, so here we go. Yeah. Actually started up real nice. Real nice. Let's see, what do we have on for lights here? We have a check engine light. It's hard to see, but it's hidden way over there. Yeah. We got us a little check engine light over there. Low fuel. Gears. Yep, backwards. And forwards. Yeah. She goes right into gear. I wonder what the miles are. Where the heck is the mileage? Trip 1, trip 2. I'm just looking for the odometer, guys. I don't see it. Okay. I guess I'm just missing it. Let me close the door. Let me see if that. No. That's not gonna give me the miles, really? Okay. You would think it'd be right here. Right here. I don't know. I don't see it. Can somebody tell me where the hell the mileage is on this car? I don't understand that. According to the sticker right there, looks like it says 39,981. I would find that very difficult to believe this car has 39,000 miles on it. I just would. Okay, well. Steering feels good. Brakes feel good. There's no way this car's got 39,000 miles on it. None. There is absolutely no way this car's got 39,000. Does the important window work? Yeah. All right. What about air conditioning? It looks like the AC may already be on here. Well, it's cold, but it's hard to tell because it's kind of chilly outside as well. It makes it real difficult to tell. Let's go ahead and pop this hood real quick. Well, if that's 39,000 miles, that was one hell of a ride. Hell of a ride. She sounds good, though. She does. She sounds good. Okay, well, you guys tell me, man. This one, I don't mind the hail damage at all. A little concerned with how rough the car is on the interior, though. Mainly on this driver's side floor. That, just what is going on there? You know what I mean? How does that even happen? And, you know, honestly, before I throw a bid on something, I really like to know how many daggum miles it's got on it. So here's what I'm gonna shut it off. Take the key out, put the key back in. Let's see if maybe the mileage pops up at some point, right? No? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. All right, well, oh, there it is. There it is right there. 173,330. Oh boy. That is a far cry from 39,981. Oh, that seems more like it. Now it makes more sense, the condition of the car. It does. I saw that 39,000 miles, and it just didn't make sense. And it concerns me. If you don't know the true mileage of a car, it bothers you. It could have 300,000 on it. You know what I mean? I feel better if I'm going to bid on a car knowing the miles. Honestly, this one, I'm not feeling this one either. So that is going to be it for this video, ladies and gentlemen. If you enjoyed it, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button and let me know. With that, I got to get out of here. I got more cars to record for you guys. We'll see you very soon in the next one.